Hello, everybody, and thank you for joining us. The purpose of the conversation today is to introduce Julian Pivovar and have him tell you some things about the most exciting portion of the Stevens Universidad Europea partnership, which is the residency in Spain that is the culmination of the program. So let me start by introducing Julian. He's the head of innovation at Real Madrid. Hello, Julian. Could you tell us a little bit about yourself and about Real Madrid Next?
Hello, Carl. Many thanks for inviting me to present a little bit the master classes we're going to have with the entity Real Madrid Next and Real Madrid Club Football. So I'm Julian Pivovar. I'm the head of innovation of Real Madrid Next. And I previously have my own company, and I was supplier of the club Real Madrid. And due to my past experience of supplier of the club and having myself a startups, they have asked me to take the lead of the new entity Real Madrid Next, which is the hub of technology of the club, which has the main objective to scale several projects of startups everywhere in the world to allow to the club to have this early stage project to enter in the ecosystem of Real Madrid. Because before we create Real Madrid Next, it was much difficult to have this early stage project to enter in the ecosystem of the club, because we only go, with products which have already have a good life, and we are sure it's going to be a success very quickly. But right now, we are really focused on investing time and money on new projects to be really groundbreaking, innovative stuff, and including entrepreneur, startups, students, and all of this in the ecosystem Real Madrid to make some success. So that's the big purpose of Real Madrid Next, and that's the way we're leading the innovation here inside the Real Madrid. And we have the pleasure also to start this new master degree program with the Universidad Europea de Madrid. And then I could explain you a little bit more about that.
That sounds great.
So if you want me to share my screen right now, I can give you a little bit more explanation about the courses of the master, and particularly the two modules the students are going to follow live here in Madrid when they are coming, I think in May, during 5 weeks.
Sure, sounds fantastic.
Okay, perfect. So let me share my screen. Okay, so this is an overview of the planning of the master in 21-22. The two modules the students of Stevens Institute are going to follow in Madrid is the module number 6. So the module number 6 is called Smart Venues. So it's all about cybersecurity and technology. So we have linked this to an area of Real Madrid Next, which is called cybersecurity and technology, with the main topic is to have all the access to new tools to protect online data, preventing loss of data, loss of information, and also to secure the access of the stadium using any kind of new, very groundbreaking technology, including the blockchain. It could be for ticketing, could be for crowd control, could be for many things. So in this module, we are going to have a panorama and an overview of all the tools of cybersecurity and technology, but also we are going to see how to organize major sports events, particularly in multi-purpose stadium. That is going to have the new Bernabeu Stadium will be a multi-purpose arena with various events all the time. So we are going to have some visit some specific venues on site here in Madrid, and some people to come to the class to give their own experience about managing multi-purpose arena. We are going also to discuss about design, architecture, how to rebuild a stadium or build a stadium from scratch. It's two things totally different, so we're going to overview this. Everything about innovation in sports events, particularly about pricing and ticketing, because the ticketing has moved a lot in the last year with different kind of offer, different way to approach the ticketing, not only the online way to sell tickets, but also the way to have the tickets by yourself. We are not even more speaking about piece of paper, but we have everything in digital right now, some of them including the blockchain technology or not. So we are going to do a big panorama about the ticketing, and we will also discuss about the utility or not, and most of the time the utility to have a stadium app or a club app, and how to make some fan engagement inside this. And we will have a specific case study about Real Madrid concerning these smart venues. The second classes and module we are going to share here in Madrid with the students is about sports technology contextualization. So it will be a very wide approach about all the big data in sports, because all the future of generating revenue and many things like this will be everything around the big data. So we have a lot of things to discuss about the digital overlay, business intelligence, how we can move from business intelligence to artificial intelligence. And I think you have another interview with Mario Garrido from Holosip, which is a specialist about all the artificial intelligence for sports performance, but also for sports and technology. So he will share a little bit more with you about this specific topic. And so we will make a cover about everything concerning this new artificial intelligence as a driver for a club and for a stadium. And we will finish as all the module with a specific case study and a case study specific about Real Madrid at the time also. So this is the two modules the students are going to have here in presential in Madrid in 2022. And during also the 5 weeks, we will have the possibility to involve the students in some practice and traineeship here inside the club, inside Real Madrid Next, inside Real Madrid. So we will have several new projects and specific startups working on some project for us in which we could involve the students. So they are going to be the most close to the real case study and practice case within the Real Madrid ecosystem, and it will be a real immersion inside the football life, daily life of a football club.
Fantastic. One of the things that really strikes me as you go through these things is you're really providing the students with firsthand experiences. So, it's kind of one thing to have an idea in your head, and, our imagination is a big part of our life. Oh, I would like to work in sports. Even I would like to work at a startup. Stadiums sound exciting. And it's another thing to actually walk through it, to see some of the realities. And for potential employers, if you're trying to persuade them that this is something you really want to do, the fact that you can do it in an informed way, that you can say, you walked the stadium, you saw how the technologies were being applied to ticketing or to merchandising. It's really exciting. Very briefly, before we conclude the conversation, Real Madrid Next has 6 broad areas that they focus on. It's not just on the pitch, right? It's the sports world is much bigger than just the field, although the field is in some respects the most fun element of it. Could you tell us briefly about those areas, the 6 areas?
Yeah, for sure. Yes, Real Madrid Next is based around 6 areas, which are the e-health, so everything about medical and injury prevention, including the recovery and every tools we can have to measure and prevent the lesions. We have the second area of Real Madrid Next is about the performance. So sports performance is mean all the video analysis, the data, captors, sensors from the player performance, athletes performance, and also for scouting. We have here in Ciudad Deportiva Real Madrid 500 athletes permanently with us, because we have the first team of football, basketball, the women elite team of football, and all the Academy of Football of Real Madrid, where the kids start at 6-year-old to train here with us. So we have 500 athletes permanently to test all of these projects. So it's very exceptional. The third area of Real Madrid Next is the fan engagement. So it's fan engagement, digital and on stadium. So it's covering a lot of stuff about loyalty program, about we have a specific program called Madridista program, which is for fan engagement, and a worldwide program for socials. The fourth area of Real Madrid Next is audiovisual. So everything about OTT, augmented reality solution, virtual reality, everything about 3D surrounding we can have for a live game or replay. The number 5 area is the one about cybersecurity and technology, the one covered by the module 6 of the formation. So I already explained before. And the module number 6 is the one concerning the social foundation. So we have a foundation Real Madrid, and we have we are working on some projects to gather more money for all the projects we have with the Fundación Real Madrid, and it's also an area about everything concerning the environment and sustainability. So as you said, Real Madrid Next is focused on many things other than only the sports and the technology. It's going from the medical to the foundation, and we have projects, companies, and startups in these 6 different areas. So students could have the chance to be involved in some projects and to see the daily life of some part of this club being there with us at the moment.
Fantastic. Julian, I think that this is a fantastic opportunity for students who want a totally global experience. You know, we're even now talking to each other from 2 continents, and I know you have students in the program from all over the world. So thank you for sharing your insights with us. And I and our students look forward to meeting you in person next, I guess it'll be spring, technically spring, next spring in Madrid. So thank you again.
Exactly, and we are impatient to host every one of you. And as I say in my last diapo, see you all soon in Madrid.
Thank you.